Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a little tutorial on, okay, let's get one that's got a little bit more writing on it. The DeWalt clamps. These things are inexpensive. They're plastic with a metal slide. You know, the rail itself is metal. You can slide that off and do what? I have no idea. I use them basically for doing all my woodworking. They work really, really well. Distance-wise, they will reach, let's see how long. Okay, the opening on this is 11 inches. But the reason why I'm showing you this today, if you can see, right here, this guy. As you can see, it's got a bowl right there. So what this little guy, these guys will do, is take that away. You know, for all you new guys out there and gals. Whoop. And push the button. Okay. This is good for you. This will take away that bowness. Well, you open it far enough, you'll be okay. So this way you're not wasting a piece of wood. And you can get it into place. Okay, as I'm squeezing it, you can see right in here, it will close that up. Do it on both sides, because you can see it wants to move around. But I'm not going to let it. Open this one up. I can see where it's bowed also. Clamp it in there. Doesn't take much pressure to get it into place. So now, actually, I don't like the way this one is. I'm going to move the board up just a little. There we go. That's what I wanted. Both hands. For people who have stronger hands, you'll be able to do better. If you got a bow in it, put an extra nail or two in there. Not going to hurt it. You'll help it more than anything. Take that out of there. Put an extra nail. They come off real easy. And you can hang them on your wall. Alright. There you have it. Nice, simple, and easy. Short video on the DeWalt clamps. I think these were, oh god, maybe 20 bucks, something like that. And I've been using them for over a year. Got no complaints with these ones. They're sander. Yeah, I'm not happy with that. This guy, yeah, for 11-inch opening, for DeWalt ones, they're good. I mean, yeah, you can buy ones from Harbor Freight. I have longer ones from Harbor Freight, but that'll be a whole nother video. Till then, I hope this helped you out. Please hit that like, subscribe, and that bell for notifications. I'll see you guys soon.